for 12th class as well as JEE Mains competitions in the physics, electrostatics is most important chapters. So today we will discuss of this chapter, electrostatics, very advanced zone in physics, देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट्स को हम दो सिस्टम में समझ सकते हैं. Electrostats, what do we mean by electrostats? First, when the electron is at rest, simply say it is called electrostats. In the NCERT and other books also, the division of electrostats in two chapters. First one is your electric charge, charges and fields. Second is potential. It's a very big zone, so we have to classify it into two separate chapters: electric charges and field. So first of all, we will study of the first chapter, electric charge and field. Electric charge field is the first basic chapter. We understand this chapter, we know what is the concept of charge. So now I am going to write here charge. What do you mean by charge? It is an intrinsic property of any material due to which material get electrified as well as magnetified. जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को रिस्पॉन्स करे उसको चार्ज बोलते हैं. ये एक बेसिक फीचर्स है जो चार्ज के में इंक्लूड रहता है. ये नेचुरली इंक्लूडिंग है फिनोमेना. कुछ चार्जेस न्यूट्रल होते हैं, कुछ चार्जेस में नेचुरली इनबिल्ट फिनोमेना होता है, और कुछ को वैसा बनाया जाए. द डिफरेंट मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसफर. So charges is basically what it is, an intrinsic property of any material due to which material get electrified as well as the magnified. It gets response of electric field as well as magnetic field. यानी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होने के लिए चार्ज ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है और कोई दूसरा नहीं. चार्ज बेसिकली Q से डिनोट करते हैं, कैपिटल Q, एंड इट इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी and the unit of charge is basically what? Coulomb, capital C. So we understand the charge. The three important terms we have to understand it. First, charge is denoted by Q, most important thing. Its physical quantity is a scalar and its unit is Coulomb. Now, basic properties of charges. Basic properties of electric charge. Basic property of charge, we have seen that there are two types of charge, namely positive and negative. And their effects tends to cancel each other. If the size of charges bodies are very small as compared to the distance between them, we treat them as point charge. We have already studied in gravitation chapter in 11th class. So all the charge content of the body is assumed to be concentrated at one point in a space. All the charges content of the body is assumed to be concentrated at one point in the space, So in the basic properties of electric charge, we have to understand the additivity of the charges. Additivity of charge. My dear friends, additivity of the charges is what? Simply, we can say that if the charges add up like real numbers or they are scalars, ये important है, like the total charges Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus dot 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 Qn. Charges has magnitude but no direction because it is a scalar quantity. Similar like to the mass, mass of a body is always positive. देखो डिफरेंस है, ये बिहेव करता है मास जैसा बट प्रॉपर्टी में थोड़ी सी डिफरेंस है. क्या है कि मास ऑफ ए बॉडी इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव बीइंग यूज्ड व्हाइल एडिंग द चार्जेस इन द सिस्टम. अगर एग्जांपल देखा जाए 5 चार्जेस आप ले सकते हैं, एक +1 you can put it, +2 -3 +4 and -5. In some arbitrary unit we can add it up the summation of all the charges, we can put it here -1 in the same unit. So we can say also कि charge can fulfill of additivity of charges. Charges may be negative, charges may be positive, but mass of a body is always positive. This is the basic difference between the mass and the charge. Mass never be negative. अब important है additivity of charges. Similarly, charge is conserved. Charge is conserved. Charge is conserved. Dear friends, if a charge may gets redistributed, but it is found that the total charge, simple note I am just writing here, the total charge of the isolated system is always conserved. It is not possible to create or destroy net charge carried by an isolated system through although the charges carrying particles may be created or destroyed in a process. The proton and electron thus created have equal and opposite charges because proton carries the charges is what? The proton carries the charges is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Similarly, the electron carrying the charges is the minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. The magnitude is same. The magnitude of both the charges will be same, but the sign has been opposite. Net the total charge for an atom. If we talk about the atom, so for an atom, net charge, the total charge is 0 before and after the creation. Okay. Next property is what? Quantization of charge. Important one is, my dear. Very important. Quantization of charge. In a single words, the fact is that electric charge is always an integral multiple of E is termed as a quantization of charge. Thus, charge Q on a body is always given by Q is equals to N. It may be positive because N is any integer. N is any integer, we can say simply. Any integer, positive or negative. By convection, if I am taking the value of N is 1, so Q should be equals to E. It is the very smallest value of charge. So what is the smallest value of 1 coulomb? Charge, because coulomb is the unit of charge. Coulomb is the unit of charge. It means what? E, the smallest value of charge is what? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so here we can say also this is the quantization of charge. Once we understand the quantization of charge, my dear friends, we have to analyze the transfer of charge. Another area to understand the quantization of charge. Another area to understand the quantization of charge, if the charge gets entered, it is negative, and if the charge gets exit, it can be positive. जो दे रहा है पॉजिटिव है, जो ले रहा है वो नेगेटिव. दिस इज द बेसिक फीचर ऑफ योर क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज. दैट्स ऑल.